In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to make money online with affiliate marketing. So if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You'll definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can get started and start earning passive income with affiliate marketing. So moving on to today's video, you want to head over to Google and you want to type in what are the best text-to-speech softwares in 2023. So once you type this on Google, you are going to see various text-to-speech softwares people are using to create content online. So once you come over here, you're going to see this website that's reviewed 16 best text-to-speech software. So all you need to do is to click on this. So once you do that, as you can see right here, there are so many text-to-speech softwares that you can use, and the first one right here is morph.ai, all right, which is currently one of the best text-to-speech softwares that you can use right now. As you can see, AI enabled real people's voices, all right. So this is a very powerful way of making content. If you don't want to use your own voice and you don't want to show your face, all you need to do is to get a script, and this tool is going to generate the real human voices for you. So now the next thing you want to do is to scroll to the bottom of this page. And once you do that, you are going to see where it says affiliate partners program. So you want to click on that. So once you do that, as you can see, you are going to get 20% of what people spend on morph.ai. All you need to do is to click on become a morph affiliate. So once you do that, you will be brought to a page that looks like this, and all you need to do is to enter your basic information and you'll be able to submit an application. Okay, so once you get approved, you'll be able to promote this AI tool to people who are looking for AI voices that sound realistic. So once you've done that, you want to come over to where it says pricing. And if you do that, as you can see right here, they have a free plan and you don't even need to enter a credit card. All right, you can use this free plan to test out this software to see how good it is. Okay, so this is a very good advantage over other softwares. So now what you want to do from here, I'm going to show you an example of someone who is already doing this on YouTube. As you can see right here, this account is making a review of this product, Speechlo, right here. If you come over to the description of this video, you can see this is their link. And when people click on this link to purchase this product, this person right here is going to earn money. All right, so you want to do the same thing, and to do that, it's very simple. All you need to do is to go over to pexels.com and you want to type in human talking video. So once you type this, you are going to have access to various videos that you can use to create content. So all you need to do is to download a couple of videos, and once you have that downloaded, you want to head over to canva.com. And once you come over to canva.com, you want to come over to where it says videos. So once you do that, all you need to do is to click on upload, and you want to upload the videos you just downloaded. So while the video is uploading, you want to head over to ChatGPT and you want to type in benefits of using morph.ai text-to-speech software. So once you type in a question like this, it's going to generate the answer for you, and all you need to do is to copy these benefits and you want to put them in your videos. So once you import the videos, you want to create a very simple content like this. You can see the first scene says how to generate human-like voices for your content. And now if I go to the next scene, as you can see, Morph AI is a perfect software for human-like voices. And then you want to scroll to the next page listing the benefits people are going to get when they use these softwares. All right, and to get these benefits, all you need to do is to go over to ChatGPT, like I said, and you want to get the benefits. All right, so once you include the benefit, the next thing, as you can see right here, you can try it out for free. You want to take a screenshot from the page, and to get the screenshot, all you need to do is to go to morph.ai and you want to come over to where it says pricing. So once you come over to pricing, as you can see, you can take a screenshot of this page using a snipping tool. So all you need to do is to open the snipping tool on your device and you can take a screenshot of this page. All right, so once you take the screenshot, if you go back here, you can see you want to show people that they can try this software for free, and then you want to go to the next page where they can get the basic plan. Then you want to go to another page where it says they can get the pro plan. So this is how easy it is. It took me less than 5 minutes to create this video. All you need to do from here is to add music, and to do that you want to go to pixabay.com and you want to click on music. So once you do this, as you can see, you are going to see music from various genres that you can download for free, and you can also click on this play button to preview the music if you like the music. And once the music works for you, all you need to do is to click on this download button and you'll be able to download this music for free. So once you download the music, all you need to do is to grab the music and you want to place it on the video. So once you do that, all you need to do from here is to click on this share button and you'll be able to download this music by clicking on this download. So once you do that, you want to make sure to select download as MP4 and you want to click on download. So once you download the video, you want to set up a YouTube channel for this, and all you need to do is to come over to where it says create and you want to click on upload video. So once you upload the video to YouTube, all you need to do is to give a very good title like this, and in the description you want to paste in your affiliate link. And now you must have been accepted to the platform, and once you get accepted, they will give you an affiliate link that you can use to promote this product. And always you want to make sure to shorten the affiliate link and you want to leave it in the description. So once you do that, you are definitely going to start getting traffic, and a lot of people will check out this video, and once they do that, you are going to make money because anybody who clicks on the affiliate link is definitely interested in this product. And also you want to make sure to post the same video on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook as well. And also you want to come over to reddit.com. All you need to do is to come over here and type in AI. So once you type in AI, you want to come over to communities, and once you come over to communities, you are going to see a lot of subreddits on AI. You can think of subreddits as Facebook groups where people who are interested in similar content come to share ideas and content relating to that niche. Okay, so as you can see right here, there are various subreddits related to AI. All you need to do is to join this subreddit and you want to share a link to this YouTube video. All right, it's that simple. As you can see, you won't be spamming them with affiliate link, as all you need to do is to send them to this video. And once they check out this video, they see the benefits of using this AI software and they purchase this software, you make money. And also Cura is another good traffic source you can use as well. All you need to do is to come to the search section and you want to type in what are the best text-to-speech software that you can use. As you can see, these are similar questions right here. So if I click on this one right here, I'll be able to answer this question and also redirecting them to that YouTube video. And also you can see this one right here. What is the best text-to-speech software with human voice? Okay, you can see these questions are very, very related to what this platform offers. All right, and also you can see the major advantage is that they allow people to test out their software without having to add their credit card details, and that is a bonus. All right, so if I take this one here as an example, as you can see, this question right here does not have any answer at all. All you need to do is to answer this question, and you want to make sure to link the answer back to your YouTube video. So this is all you need to do to start driving traffic to your affiliate link. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you find any value in this video, please leave a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.